Hi, and thanks for checking out the Bugchaser. The Bugchaser is an ultrasonic pest repeller that uses safe ultrasonic waves to repel rodents and also insect pests from 1,500 square feet of your home. The insects include ants, spiders, fleas, ticks, and cockroaches. The Bugchaser features a 6-foot cord so you can plug it in the wall for optimal coverage. It's effective against all insects and rodents, typically used in attics, basements, garages, crawl spaces, or wherever mice and insects seem to be a problem. Use Bugchaser today. It's more effective and safe than traps, poisons, and chemicals.